Now, wait a second. All right, let me backtrack here. Let me restart this. Make it a clean video.
Too late to switch to right, too late to switch to right. Switching to guns, I'm gonna fly right by this guy.
Yeah, I kid you not. He probably does this for another good 10 minutes until we actually hit the target, as he would put it. But we do make it.
Time to target, 30 seconds. We're gonna take that left lane and blow right by these guys. Terminal 3. Time to target, 30 seconds. We're heading home. Let's go down again, right?
All right, once Josh gets his bogey to the target, as he would put it, I get through security, I walk around. O'Hare is O'Hare. It's always fun to experience the airport, and you don't get on a plane every day, or at least I don't get on a plane every day, so I walk around O'Hare, I enjoy it, and get ready to take off for Arizona. Somewhere around here, we hear an overcom announcement. Plane's going to be delayed like 45 minutes to an hour. So I just kind of get settled in, read some comics, I'm chilling out, film a little video, and I get a lot of stares. On the plane, headed to Arizona. I have arrived in Arizona. There is one thing I promised myself prior to coming to Arizona. It was to be as obnoxious as possible. So prepare yourself for that going forward.
Hi, yes, I'm looking for Kaylin Sakura.
Hello?
Have I found Kayla Sakura?
Yes, you have.
Oh, yes, wonderful.
I found Kaylin, and we also found Ben. Just wanted to throw that out there. All right, Kaylin and I, great time after that. We go to In-N-Out. I have a burger. I'm happy. I'm in Arizona.
thing from? I can't even...
I'm glad we're children.
Radio Shack.
We are up.
It's staring at me.
Not yet, it's not. There we are.
Excellent. Look at us.
Oh my God, look at us. And
Look
we're
at
mic'd
us.
up.
And we are mic'd up.
I mean, you're hearing this on the video that we're probably showing the family and YouTube and everything else, but we're
Everything
here.
else, but we're here.
All right, let's show you around. Oh my God, all right, so let's back up. And then we're gonna go up more. And so here we are in the lovely area.
Of Scottsdale.
Scottsdale. So, if I'm not mistaken, we can go in that direction.
I'm pretty sure.
Were those
There's
ones?
the canal.
Were those the ones I was referring to?
Yes.
Yeah, right? Because there wouldn't be anything else.
Well, that's McDowell Mountain right there.
The what?
That's McDowell Mountain right there.
Okay.
And then these are just mountains.
Could that be the Mount Eagle?
Mount Eagle is over by McDowell Mountain.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like right there.
Oh, interesting. Wow, that's a lot further than I thought. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at those mountains.
Look at that.
All right. Let's see. All right, so we're still in flight. So let's start going back towards us. Was that this direction?
We are to the left, I think. Blue apartments right there. Blue.
Is that the front door?
That is the back. So we're like right off over there.
Okay, this is the pan. It's the zoom. That should be the pan down.
Yep. So then we should see the pool coming up. Possibly. Go to your right. Ah, there's the back pool.
Is that our pool?
That's not the one that we were at. So.
Really? There's another pool?
Yeah, because the apartment complex is so big, so there's extra parking there. And then, let's see. There's parking. There's our pool. There's where we were.
So that means we are
We were
right.
to the right. We're this building right there.
I get this right. There's your roof.
God damn it. Wrong roof.
No, I just have to get this closer to...
Hello. Don't hit the tree.
I'm not. And then I can pan the camera back up towards us. And there we are.
Wow. Excellent.
Let's
see. Let's go this way. Hey, look, a golf course.
Oh, I think that was the one I was trying to find, because then if we found the golf course, those were like the closest ones. So I was going in the right direction earlier.
Yeah.
Look at the canal.
Interesting.
Let's start, yeah, send it back.
Interesting.
Aircraft and one. We know.
This is the back one. So, like, yeah, this apartment complex is huge.
It's pretty big. Yeah.
Donde está?
You can rotate, so turn the controller over. This gimbal will rotate the camera, pull it towards you. And
Nice.
then now you can look downward. Breaker, this is 1, 2. Bogies are not in sight. We have no visible access to them. Breaker, what do you see? Over.
A lot of roof.
A lot of roof.
A lot of roof.
A lot of white roof, too.
A lot of, yep.
I mean, from what I understand, if my color theory is correct, white is the one that doesn't attract the most sun. Black attracts the most sun.
Yes.
The darker colors.
It's because white reflects, as far as I know. I know nothing else.
But the
There we
orange
are.
roofs.
Orange roofs, those are houses.
But like, why? Why orange?
Because those are shingled houses.
Why
So-
shingles?
I don't know. It's Arizona.
Okay.
It's like Adobe. Why would you have a flat? Why would you have a flat roof
No,
in a place that gets a lot of rain? That seems really counterintuitive.
Yeah, I mean, but you guys don't get a lot of rain.
Well, we get monsoons, and so it's like a lot of rain at once. And if you have a flat roof,
Yeah, makes sense. Interesting. Monsoons. There's the baseball field.
mm-hmm.
Saw those antennas earlier too. Not antennas, the wires.
Let's see.
Look at that pool. Imagine if you had a house with a pool in the back here.
Dude, I know. That pool looks a little green, though. Not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, it doesn't look like this color.
It's not a nice color.
No. Should probably get that checked out.
Yeah. Seeming very chemically. Interesting.
Interesting.
I just like spinning in circles, really, truly.
Wonderful. All right. Hear it.
It's right there.
Wonderful. We're going.
I'm not good at landing.
We're
that's
going
how I
in for the
can-
landing. So here we are.
Here we are.
Let's bring that camera up. I'm getting better with the gimbal. Let's. Okay.
You shall not pass.
Well, I hit stop.